Hello guys, good morning. Today we are making pork and shrimp dumplings in the Instant Pot. This one right here, I have made it ahead of time and then I went ahead and froze it, and then now we're just going to go directly and cook it, steam it in the Instant Pot. It will take really short time and you can have your meal in no time. Okay, so first what you need to do is put your dehydrating tray in the middle of the pot here, and then I will have you add water. This is about 5 cups of water, and then I will have you spray the tray with that non-stick oil, and then you can just go ahead and put all the dumplings in there, and then you can just add your shredded carrots on top. So this is how your arrangements should look like. I got a lot, maybe I got a dozen on this one in one tray. So now we'll go ahead and then put it there. Put the pot in the Instant Pot here. For 5 minutes, and then you can go ahead and start. So this is how your shumais look like. So this is what we have now. It's so delicious. It's so soft and moist. You really need to try this.